In this series I will be sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals have a high energy to ounce ratio with just a few ingredients. They are fast and easy to make without having to carry extra cooking utensils. The end result will be something you could even make to impress a date. For today I'll be making a real pasta carbonara with a cold soaking technique that makes the pasta taste even better than at home. The ingredients weigh in at 9.4 ounces and deliver about 865 calories. We'll start with 3.5 ounces of tagliatelle that need to cold soak in about 7 ounces of water for 90 minutes. Now, it is important that you don't let them soak much longer or the pasta becomes very mushy. The great thing about cold soaking pasta is that the starch will not be activated yet, so the pasta doesn't get the gel-like structure you usually get when cooking dried pasta. So the end result will be resembling a fresh tagliatelle much more. This is a technique I also use at home when cooking dried pasta. Start off by chopping a clove of garlic. Now pour the pasta in your cooking pot and add another 7 ounces of water, some salt and a bit of olive oil. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for just 1 minute. Get rid of the water and store the pasta in a Ziploc bag. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your pot. Add the garlic and turn off the fire the moment the garlic starts to become brown. Add the pasta back in and stir really well. Mix the egg, half of the parmigiano, the freeze-dried parsley and black pepper together in a cup or the Ziploc bag from your pasta. Pour it over the pasta. Add the prosciutto you baked at home and mix it together. Put the rest of the parmigiano on top and dinner is ready. There you go, your ultralight, easy and real Italian pasta carbonara with cold soaked tagliatelle. For this recipe I put the pasta and garlic in a big 2.2 pound 1 liter Ziploc bag. Put the pre-baked prosciutto in a bag of its own, just as the parmigiano. The pepper and parsley can go in a small Ziploc together. I put the egg in 2 parts of an egg box and tape it shut to protect it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.